nails are painted green.
Atang asam ko makakita anig boarding house oy nga. Hinduta na ba niya mo to pitog pang social? Nata ni swimming pool da.
Migo.
Uy,
Nakanungod ko na nangita kag boarding house, Migo.
oo, ngita ko yati init kayo.
Nakoy na ibawaan, Migo, nga affordable, social nga, nice swimming pool.
Mo na swimming pool?
Una, nawala
Yati
sa
ra.
unahan.
Ta, ubanin ko
Ano
ta.
ta? Sige ta.
Karon dayon?
Oo.
Ta.
Nagplano mo mag-family outing? Ipalayas sa inyong balay? Wala mo'y mapuyan? O boarding house nga nailib sa swimming pool? Ali na mo! Sulod na tadol! Papa! Dol! Dili mo problema dili nga boarding house. Kaya kung mga ligo mo, na may sakyanan, motor, 10-wheelers, sa mga dia, trailer, truck, pwede na mo diri sulod. Huwag itong parking lot diri. Ali na mo!
Sa sulod sa boarding house, nabot tayo swimming pool. Gusto mo maligo? Tara na. Kung karon na nagbuk sa atong swimming pool, kung gusto mo maligo, bayad lang kante.
Gusto mo maligo nga libre? Ayo, masako si ante.
Run to me, run to me, run to me, confess your love, at least just say, confess your love, at least say, confess your love, confess your love.
Kung gusto pa mo recreational activity, nabot tayo basketballan. Sige sa Ruiz, di mo malugit. Again kay Rome, pwede naman mag-stay direct either days, weeks, or months. Depende na sa inyo kung gusto ninyo. Dili, kompleto na siya. Yung rooms na nasa mga ceiling fan, wifi, and exclusive na din ay apel na talaga ang mga beds.
Welcome to Villa Ruiz, where comfort meets lifestyle and everyday living feels extraordinary. Here, we don't just offer a place to stay. We offer a community, a home designed for relaxation, entertainment, and the moments that matter most. Step inside our mini event center, the perfect venue for celebrations, gatherings, and unforgettable memories. Whether it's a birthday, a family event, or a weekend hangout, this is the space where connections grow. For game lovers, enjoy our indoor pool table, a spot to unwind, challenge your friends, or simply relax after a long day by playing pool. Head outdoors and discover our multi-purpose court, an outdoor basketball court designed for friendly games, active mornings, and bondings with neighbors. Here, fitness and fun go hand in hand. And when it's time to cool off, dive your own refreshing escape right outside your door. Feeling hungry? Our cafeteria is ready to serve you delicious meals and quick bites, perfect for starting your day or fueling up. At Villa Ruiz, you're not just renting a space, you're joining a lifestyle, a bright, vibrant community where convenience meets comfort and where every amenity is designed with you in mind. Live better, play more, relax fully. Welcome home to Villa Ruiz.
Dito na mo sa Villa